I'm going to be singing Mortician's Daughter by Open my lungs, dear. I sing this song at funerals, no rush. These lyrics heard 1,000 times, just blush. Baby boy, you've held so tightly, it's pain, it visits almost nightly. Missing hotel beds, I feel your touch. We'll wait, dear. Patience of eternity, my crush. Universal steel, no rust. Dust will ever grow on this for 1,000,000 years. I will say your name, love you more than I can ever scream. But I fled those years ago. I said I love you as I left you. Regret still haunt my hollow head. Promised you I will see you again. Again. Sit here and smile, dear. I smile because I think of you, I blush. These bleeding hollow dials, this bus. A bus is made of miles and travels, images are but stones and gravel. Bleeding heart can conquer every crutch. We booked our flight those years ago. You said you loved me as you left me. Regret still haunt your sodden head. I promised you I will see you. Booked our flight those years ago. I said I loved you and I left you. Regret's no longer in my head. I promise you I will, I'm home again, 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 I'm home again. Thanks for watching.